Keeping up with all the household tasks during this busy Christmas season can be rather challenging. Join me today for a quick speed cleaning during 30 minutes. I set my timer for 30 minutes on my watch and get right to business getting done my to-do list, tackling the chores within my house. I do work full-time from home if this is your first time stopping by. I get a 30-minute lunch break during my work day, so I set my timer to make sure I don't go over my time and just get done as much as I can in my house. I do make a checklist, either mentally or sometimes on a piece of paper, to get myself prepared and figure out all the things that I want to get completed so that I can make the most of my time. The video that you're currently watching is obviously shorter than 30 minutes because I have to move the tripod around, and with editing and things like that, it doesn't come out to being a 30-minute video, which I think you might appreciate. With being short on time, it's not always easy to watch your favorite YouTuber and gather all that cleaning motivation that helps so much in getting done all of our household chores. I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation and you're able to get some cleaning done alongside me. I'm starting off in the laundry room. I had the sheets from my bed in the washer. I moved those to the dryer and put my duvet cover into the washer. Now I'm gonna fold some of these clothes that are here in the laundry basket. To fold when I'm short on time and trying to quickly get things done, I make piles. I pull out things, put them in piles. So right now my piles are my pants, which is the biggest stack. My husband has one pair of pants, and then there's an outfit of my son's in this basket as well. And I get all of those folded. I find it to be so much faster when you have specific piles to get folded rather than just pulling out a piece, folding it, pulling out a piece, folding it directly from the laundry basket. I find that to take me a little bit much more time rather than just making these piles. Makes it nice and easy, and I can just do the same motion over and over of folding pants. Nice and quick, get it done in no time at all. Washed our Christmas pajamas that we just got. I wanted to give you a look at them. They are so cute. These are my son's pair. I have a 2-year-old son if this is your first time here. We got the ones that are blue and red with this cream top, and each one says, this is my son's. It says a little. My husband's, I think, says Papa or Dad, and then mine says Mama, and they're so cute. And we all already have slippers that match these perfectly. So that works out really well. I didn't even pick these out. My husband picked out these pajamas for us this year. He came home and surprised me with them since he was at the store. He got them at Walmart, and he knows that I love to have a family picture of us on Christmas morning in our Christmas pajamas. Is that a tradition that you and your families do? Leave a comment down below. I would love to know. Now I'm moving into my son's room. I have definitely neglected our bedrooms over the last week. My son's program that he goes to throughout the day was on vacation last week, so he was home with me all week. I do work full-time from home. I'm a medical coder if you are curious. Last week, knowing that he was going to be home with me, I worked Monday and Tuesday, and I took Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off so that I could spend a little extra time with him, and it is a little difficult to get as much work done when he's home. He's at the age where it is rather boring for him. He can entertain himself for just so long and then would rather just play with me. And I am going to soak up as much time as I can with him when I do get the opportunity. We also got our first snowstorm last week. I did post a snow day clean with me. Check that out after you finish this video if you have not seen it yet. I showed some glimpse of our snow. It was so beautiful and we had so much fun. It was like an extra treat that we were all off on that day that the snow came anyways. So we had nowhere to go. We just got to stay home and fully enjoy the snow. We went sledding and my son had hot chocolate for the first time, which he absolutely loved. And we got to watch movies. I did some cleaning during his nap time. It was a really great day. Now I'm folding his basket of clothes here. I do the same thing when I know I'm in a rush. I make piles of his pajamas, his tops, his bottoms. Then I can quickly just fold them and put them away. I do have his drawers organized really well so that putting clothes away is so easy. I have them organized in the KonMari file folding system, so everything has a spot. It makes folding laundry so simple and way less daunting of a task than it could be. Moving into my room, please excuse the bed. This is our duvet cover. All of my pillows are underneath it, so they were off the floor because I definitely needed to vacuum in here. My sheets are finished washing, and now my duvet cover is in the wash. And then after the duvet cover finishes, I do plan on throwing in the duvet insert because that is in desperate need of a good cleaning as well. Today, I'm just going to get my bedding completely clean, and I cannot wait for tonight to climb into a nice clean bed. I know I'm going to sleep so well. I'm just going to dust off all the surfaces here in my room. I feel like I've definitely neglected, like I said, over the last week, our bedrooms definitely got neglected. It's a little bit more challenging to get up here while my son's home and do the cleaning. So I didn't get to do too much of it last week, so we are definitely taking care of it today. And I am low on time because right after I finished filming this, I had to get back to work. I had a meeting that I was in right when I got back to work, so I definitely had to make sure I was on time. So I'm just working as quickly as I can, moving along here in the 30 minutes to get all the cleaning done upstairs in our bedrooms that I can. This is my bathroom. I always like to make sure this countertop and the mirrors are nice and clean. All three of us use this counter every single day. My son loves brushing his teeth here, so I have all of his things here in this bathroom. I typically clean this down first thing in the morning, but on this particular day, I was just rushing around, low on time. I had tons of meetings that I had to get through at work, and my day just felt very busy. It was a very fast day, so I was very happy that I was able to fit in some cleaning during an already very busy day. I still had some time left on my timer, so I'm now down in my kitchen and going to clear out this sink. Nothing makes me feel like I have a clean house other than my sink being completely clear and cleaned out. So I'm putting everything that I can, or usually typically do, put in my dishwasher in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to quickly hand wash everything else. Most of this stuff is from breakfast and a snack that I had throughout the day, and this just will help me so much so that I can, after filming this video, get my lunch. I just eat my lunch at my desk when I have cleaning sessions during my lunch break. It's doable. The meeting that I was on, I didn't have to say anything in, so I just ate my lunch while I took notes and listened to the person who was presenting and speaking during the meeting. It's totally doable and works out just great. Helps me save some time so that I don't have to clean when I go get my son. I can spend my afternoons with him and enjoy what little time we do get during the day together. My timer is just about to go off, but thank you so much for hanging out with me today and getting some speed cleaning done. I hope this video gave you lots of cleaning motivation and you're able to implement this during this crazy holiday season. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a fantastic week.